welcome back to Blackdog Speed Shop. Today we got another Jeep SRT8 that we're going to be making some upgrades on. Let's get into gear. So this SRT8 is getting our Stage 1 performance package. That package includes Stainless Works headers, as well as catback and exhaust. It's also getting a K&N cold air intake. Recently, we did do another install on an SRT8 with Stainless Works headers, but that car had a Borla catback and exhaust. If you haven't already, make sure you check out that video. All right, before we get this Stage 1 kit installed, we're gonna start off with some dyno baselines. That'll give us a good number of how much power we've increased. After the baseline, we get to work. Baseline horsepower numbers are 411 and 425 foot-pounds of torque. First thing we're going to start off with, I'm going to yank out the PCM and ship that out to HP tuners to be unlocked. So we're going to begin with ripping out the old exhaust. Then we can get the new Stainless Works exhaust in. Stainless Works is our preference, but we can use any other brand you prefer. So installing headers on these Mopars typically takes me about a full day install, and it is a pain in the ass, so I wouldn't recommend doing this if you're a DIYer. I would definitely recommend seeking professional installation. So our client did like the look of the original black tips, so we are cutting them off the old exhaust and welding them onto the new one. So the second part of this Stage 1 kit is a cold air intake. We're going to use our preferred brand of K&N. Using a good brand like K&N, they make this install super easy, super quick. Now that our K&N cold air intake is installed, we're going to put the PCM back in. Putting the PCM in is the last step to get this thing back to running. All right, let's start her up. The last component and the most critical of this Stage 1 kit is a tune. So we'll strap it down to the dyno. So now that we're all wrapped up with our dyno tuning, our numbers are 434 horsepower and 446 foot-pounds of torque. While this may not be a huge increase in power and torque, this Stage 1 package is setting the ground platform that allows you to make more optimized increases in power in the long run. That wraps up our install on this Stage 1 kit. Make sure you like, subscribe, click that bell to get notified. As always, stay boosted.